Hola, I'm Miss Macias, or Señorita Macias, and I am here to show you a video tutorial on how to use Yabla Spanish. This website will help your student or your child learn Spanish. One thing I do have to tell you is that this website is for intermediate students. So, students that are beginners or your child, if they're barely learning Spanish, will not. This will not be a great website for them. So, that is something I did want to let you guys know. And let's get started with this video tutorial. So we are here at the home page, and you will get started by clicking on this video. Something great about this website is that it has whatever the woman is saying is translated in Spanish and in English. Let's go ahead and pause it so you guys can hear me. As well, if you click on the word, it will give you the definition, and if it's an adjective, a verb, a noun, and what it means. So let's go ahead and play the video again. Something great about this website as well is that you can slow down her voice. Because of course, once you're a native Spanish speaker, you talk pretty fast. And if you're a beginner, you might need to slow the video down. Some other great tools are the back button, the pause button, skip or loop, which loop is basically just to replay what she just said, this whole sentence actually. So let's go ahead and get started with games. If you're beginning the website, if you're beginning the website, I think you guys should start with multiple choice. So my recommendation is to start with multiple choice. Multiple choice is a game where obviously you have multiple choices to choose from. So the reason why I paused there was because you have to listen very closely. So what she just said was entrevista. So you click on it and it gives you points. But if you choose the wrong word, it tells you the right word and so forth. So let's go ahead and quit the game so I can show you the videos they have here. So the videos are translated in Spanish and in English just so you can have both languages. I think this is a great website as well because you can watch it has difficulty levels which you can start at beginning, intermediate, or advanced level. Something that I do have to tell you guys though is that you have to be a subscriber to see some of these videos. So let's go ahead and just click on one because you do have to be a subscriber. I believe this website is very effective in learning Spanish because, like I said before, it has games, flashcards that I will get into a second, and videos where you can see the conversation between the people and what they're saying. So let's go ahead. I just clicked on this video and let's go ahead and watch it. Something else that I love about this website is that, it's online. You can access it with an iPad or any electronic device. Just like the other video, you can slow down if they're talking too fast. Okay, so I just showed you some of the video. Let's go ahead and go back just so I can show you the flashcards. here in flashcards, there's like many words you can choose from. And let's go ahead and just click on one. Ciudad. So it tells you what it is in English, and it's a noun. And scrolling down, it can be a city or a large town. Una ciudad costera is a coastal city, and so on and so forth. So let's go ahead and click on, no, let's go temporales. So it tells you what it means again. It's an adjective. Um, it could be a rainstorm, plural of temporal, and so on and so forth. So there you have it, the tutorial of Yabla Spanish. I just want to say that this is such a great and efficient website. Like, if your students have free time, they can go ahead and just go through the flashcards and learn these words, or they can watch videos on the go. Obviously, they can watch it at home and they can play games. So, this website is a pretty good website to learn Spanish, again, for intermediate students. I hope you like this website and this video tutorial that I gave you, and I hope you will use this website in the near future. Have a great day.